Welcome to Amazing 7. Today, we embark on a thrilling exploration of the world's most astonishing natural phenomena, places so extraordinary that they seem to defy the very laws of science and logic. From oceans that glow like the heavens to rivers that boil with unexplainable heat, these 7 wonders are proof that Earth is full of surprises waiting to be unraveled. Buckle up for a mesmerizing adventure into the scientifically impossible. Number 7. Sea of Stars. Imagine walking along a serene beach under a canopy of twinkling stars, only to find that the ocean itself mirrors this celestial brilliance. Welcome to the Sea of Stars on Vadu Island in the Maldives, a surreal phenomenon where the waves radiate a magical blue glow. This captivating display is caused by bioluminescent phytoplankton, microscopic organisms that emit light when agitated. Biologists explain it is a defense mechanism, but to witnesses, it feels like stepping into a dream. What makes the Sea of Stars even more extraordinary is its precision. The glowing waters seem to follow invisible patterns, appearing in just the right spots to create an almost supernatural effect. While science has demystified the basic mechanics, the sheer beauty of this natural light show continues to captivate hearts and minds. It's a spectacle that blurs the lines between reality and fantasy, offering visitors an unforgettable glimpse of nature's artistry. Number 6. The boiling river of the Amazon. Hidden deep within the lush Amazon rainforest of Peru lies a river that seems more myth than reality. Known as Shanay Timpishka, or boiled with the heat of the sun, this river's waters reach scalding temperatures of up to 93 degrees Celsius, 200 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to cause third-degree burns. What's even more baffling is the absence of any volcanic activity nearby, which makes its existence a perplexing enigma. Geologists theorize that underground geothermal systems heat the water as it seeps through fault lines, but even this explanation leaves gaps. For centuries, the local Ashaninka people have regarded the river as sacred, attributing its heat to spiritual forces. Whether viewed through the lens of science or mythology, the boiling river remains one of Earth's most mysterious wonders, a place where nature pushes the boundaries of possibility. Number 5. Rainbow Mountain. In the high altitudes of the Peruvian Andes lies Vinicunca, more famously known as Rainbow Mountain, a geological masterpiece that looks almost too vibrant to be real. Striking bands of red, yellow, green, and blue sweep across its surface, creating a visual feast that could rival any artist's palette. These dazzling hues are the result of mineral oxidation over millions of years, each layer representing a different era of Earth's history. Yet, even with scientific explanations, the sight feels otherworldly. The exact harmony of these colors, combined with their flawless arrangement, raises as many questions as it answers. Only discovered in recent decades due to melting snow, Rainbow Mountain has since become a global sensation, drawing visitors and scientists alike. Its vivid beauty serves as a reminder of the planet's incredible ability to surprise and inspire. Number 4. The Bermuda Triangle. Few places on Earth are as shrouded in mystery as the Bermuda Triangle. Spanning the area between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, this infamous stretch of ocean has been the site of countless shipwrecks, aircraft disappearances, and unexplained phenomena. What makes it particularly eerie is the lack of consistent environmental factors to explain these incidents. Many occur under calm, clear conditions. Over the years, theories have ranged from rogue waves and magnetic anomalies to gas hydrates and even alien intervention. Despite decades of study, no definitive explanation has emerged. For some, it's a case of statistical coincidence. For others, it's evidence of something far more sinister. Whatever the truth, the Bermuda Triangle continues to baffle scientists and spark the imaginations of adventurers around the world. Number 3. The Hesteland Lights. High in Norway's Hesteland Valley, an enigmatic phenomenon plays out in the night sky. Glowing orbs and streaks of light appear without warning, dancing and darting in ways that defy explanation. Known as the Hesteland Lights, these luminous displays have been observed for decades, leaving scientists scratching their heads. The lights can vary in size, shape, and intensity, sometimes hovering for minutes before disappearing without a trace. Researchers have proposed numerous theories, from atmospheric plasma to electromagnetic interference and geological stress. Yet, no single hypothesis has been able to fully unravel the mystery. For the residents of Hesteland, these lights have become a cherished, if puzzling, part of their landscape. For the scientific community, they represent a tantalizing challenge to our understanding of natural phenomena. Number 2. Eternal Flame Falls. Nestled within Chestnut Ridge Park in New York lies a breathtaking convergence of fire and water. The Eternal Flame Falls features a small, flickering flame that burns continuously at the base of a cascading waterfall. Fueled by methane gas seeping through the rock, this delicate fire persists despite the damp, turbulent environment around it. What makes this phenomenon so remarkable is the delicate balance required to sustain it. The interplay of natural gas, oxygen, and water creates a scene that feels almost mythical. Visitors are left in awe at the sight of a flame dancing beneath a veil of water, a rare union of elements that defies logic and captivates the imagination. Number 1. Pacific and Atlantic, where two oceans don't mix. At the Gulf of Alaska, two mighty oceans, the Pacific and the Atlantic, come face to face but refuse to blend. The stark contrast between their waters creates a striking visual divide, as though an invisible barrier separates them. This phenomenon is attributed to differences in salinity, temperature, and density, which prevent the two bodies from mixing seamlessly. Though science explains the mechanics, witnessing this natural boundary in person is an awe-inspiring experience. The sharp line where the two oceans meet serves as a powerful reminder of Earth's complex and interconnected systems. It's a sight that leaves even the most seasoned travelers speechless, standing in reverence of the planet's unending mysteries. From glowing beaches to fiery waterfalls, these 7 wonders challenge everything we know about the natural world. They inspire curiosity, ignite our sense of wonder, and remind us that the planet we call home is as mysterious as it is beautiful. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing explorations. Until next time, keep marveling at the wonders of our world. Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.